Hello there. Have you ever wanted to take the markers from Logic Pro and maybe put them on a website so you could have a list of chapters that are referenced in a podcast episode that you edit inside of Logic Pro? Here's what I do. If you're not aware, you can put markers in your edits inside of Logic Pro. There's a marker thing here. You can just click that, add a marker wherever you want, give it a name. When you go to navigate, open marker list, you can see the markers there. So I'm going to delete that one because I don't want it on this episode. Basically, then what do you do with that? When you export the MP3 file or the WAV file, whatever you do out of Logic, it embeds that inside of the file. So that's great. It goes on to the podcast app of choice. But for the website version of the podcast, maybe you want to also have those there as clickable. So I'm going to open the marker list, select all, Command A on the Mac and Command C to copy. And then it outputs like this, which is not very helpful, right? That's not going to look good on a web page. But if you go to my handy dandy little vibe coded, I don't feel good saying that word, but anyways, that's how I got this to work. Website app, click convert that and then copy. Then you get this, which is a Markdown supported timecode linkable on web pages chapter list. So in this case, I'm using WordPress, but your mileage may vary. Paste that in, and then when that is presented on the actual web page, you can see here, handy dandy little time jumps. So if the MP3 was already here, I could show you, but I don't think about those things when I record these videos. I'll put the link in the description down below if you want to access that tool yourself. Just remember that it's not production ready. It works for me. Important to note in the Logic Pro's preferences to follow these instructions so that it outputs it in the correct format. I try to update this as Logic breaks. There's a new version of Logic out today, actually, so probably this will break if I update Logic, which is why I won't. But let me know in the comments below if it's not working for you. Thanks for watching.